Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is the channel, and this is the third video I'm filming today and probably the last, so that you don't have to see me in the same outfit. So I am filming my Ipsy disappointment bag, but the positive thing is I'm also gonna film some friend mail I received from Unboxing with Maureen. So I'm more excited about that than my Ipsy bag. So if you're new, thank you so much. I hope you like my video and its content, and you'll hit that subscribe button and tap the bell button. And if you're returning, thank you so much. You know how much I love and appreciate you guys. You're the best. So I don't get Ipsy and I don't get BoxyCharm, but I watch so many YouTubers that they will post, their BoxyCharm or their Ipsy bags, and a lot of them will get the same item in their bag or their box. And I'm like, well, if they're getting that same item and I really like it, I will go ahead and order it. So I did that for a BoxyCharm, and of course I ordered the box and I didn't get that item. So I was totally bummed. And then I ordered the Ipsy bag almost at the same time because everybody was getting that same item in their, it was the Ipsy Glam Plus. And guess what? I didn't get that item either. And not only did I not get that item, this Ipsy bag was such a disappointment. It came in my mailbox and it was so flat. I'm like, is there anything in this Ipsy bag? Because it's like so flat. So I had to open it just to see if there was anything in it. So I will go over my Ipsy bag, and for the life of me, I can't even remember the item that I wanted, but I think Ipsy is what, like $30, give or take, the Ipsy Bag Plus. And there isn't an item in here that I would do the happy dance and say, wow, even though I didn't get the item I wanted, there's something else in here that makes up for it. The answer is no, there's nothing in here. So let's get into it. So it came in the nice mailer, and this is the bag, which is a nice bag, but look at how flat it is. It's like, is there anything in this bag? And there is a card. So I took it out, I'm looking for it. So there is a card, and it says Hotel Paradise, which is a theme, which is a fun theme. And I don't know, does it have, oh, it has the itinerary, but I don't even think it has what items are in here. So it just has like what's coming up, but there's like nothing. So let's get into what's not in this bag. So the first thing that I'm taking out is this thin item. And these are, I believe, makeup brushes, 4-piece brush set. Again, I paid $34, so as I said, it only takes like one good item to thrill me. So they're pretty brushes. They've got this nice gray smooth hair, and I'm not going to take the ends off because I don't even know if I'm going to keep these. So they're nice makeup brushes. I don't even need them. And so I could probably, give them away or give them to a friend. But it's not something that I can't live without. So we got these. I don't even know what the value is. They'll probably come in at some ridiculous value. So we got the makeup brushes. Again, does not wow me. And then the next item, it's very light, is Bodyography, and this is the Timber Oh, it's a lip pencil in 3-pack, and we got Timber, Merlot, and something berry. But I can tell by the names of the colors, they're not gonna be for me. So we got 3 lip pencils, and here is the one. I could probably get away with that color. Oh dear. Here is the second color. Definitely cannot use that color. And here is the third color. So we got these 3 lip pencils that, yeah, probably aren't gonna use. So disappointment number 2. And then we have Biro, New York, and this is Truffle Eye Serum. Now, I can't get mad at an eye serum, except the fact that we get so many in so many boxes. How do you go through all the eye serums? And I've never heard of this. And this is the Truffle Eye Serum. So will I get to it right away? Probably not, because I have a couple that I've got already going. And again, I've never heard of the brand. So it's not like it's a brand that I would say, okay, let me stop my other eye serums, because this is a really good brand. So far the 3 products are 3 disappointments. And then the next item looks like a sample size, and it's the Unseen Sunscreen. I've never heard of this. If anybody has this and they're using it and it's fantastic, please let me know. And again, I can use the sunscreen. I'm out in Arizona, so we can always use the sunscreen, but it doesn't even look like a big size. It didn't come in a box. This is just how it came. So I will use it, but it's not a wow me product. And then the last thing that we got in the bag looks like another sample size. And this is, let me get my glasses. This is the Solution Liquid Facelift Instant Skin Firming Complex. So it's a serum, and I don't know, it's by Goldfaden MD. I don't think I've heard of them. And you apply 1 to 2 drops to clean skin of areas of concern. And I guess you use this, I don't know if you use this once or twice a day, but this is the size. So it's not like it's this huge super tube. So if it works, it would be awesome, but it's not very big. So to recap on my $30 Glam Plus bag, I got the facelift in a tube. I received my eye cream, which my eye cream is bigger than my face cream. The 3 lip pencils in a very dark color. My eye brushes, the eye brushes. And a small tube, sample size in my book, of sunscreen. So what did you think? Am I just being negative Nancy that I don't think this is really a Glam Plus box or bag? So just leave comments. I can honestly say I don't have a favorite in this box. I could have lived without this whole entire bag. So Ipsy, next time I think of ordering from you, I don't think I will. So let me know in the comments if you thought I was wrong, or if you thought this was a great bag. But good news is I have my friend mail, and that is gonna cheer me up. So as I told you, I had ordered BoxyCharm because there was one product I wanted and everybody got it. And people that had ordered like 2 boxes, I think it was even like their July, August box, they got that same product in both boxes. So that had happened with Unbox It with Maureen. She got 2 boxes and she's like, I can't believe they sent me the same product twice. So I said to her, I go, I know you're upset you got the same product twice, but the reason I bought the box was for that product. So she was so sweet and she sent me a DM and she says, I'm gonna mail you the product. Just give me your address. And she mailed me this huge box. I ripped it apart, this huge box of products. So I'm going to share with you what she sent me. And I'm also going to leave her channel link. She is a great YouTuber and she tries all sorts of different boxes. And she does like bark box. She's got a cute little dog and she does all sorts of boxes. So please go check her out. She's an awesome YouTuber. But I opened this package and I'm like, that's an awful big package for the one thing that I wanted. And she just loaded it up and she sent me a card. So I have a card, but I kind of keep those cards private. And she did send me an I'm a Red Wine mask. So she knows me all too well. She sent me a couple of masks. These eye or lid masks. I think these are eye masks. They're Grace and Stella. And then she sent me a pineapple, kiwi, pear, ginger, pineapple bliss mask. And another eye mask. It's watermelon. So nobody can ever get too many masks. And then she sent me the Multitasker 4-in-1 makeup brush. And I did get one of these. I already lost it. I lost it in traveling from Arizona to Washington and I was so mad. I'm like, how did I lose that darn brush? And it's because I had opened it and I used it and I was throwing everything around. So when I saw this in the box, I'm like, oh my God, she's like reading my mind. So I'm loving that. She also sent me the LYS, and this is the, I have to see, sorry, the writing gets smaller, and I don't have it, but this is the, what is this one? It's the highlighter, and I've never tried their highlighter. I have their primer and I love their primer, but I don't have the highlighter, so I'm excited to try that. And then we have the Grace and Stella Say Hi to Hydration, and it's a hydrating serum. And I don't have this. And we're getting to the item that I wanted. And then she also sent me a ColourPop cream shadow. Wow, she just really stacked up the box. What color is this? Wow, I will definitely use that. That looks like an all over transition shadow. I've never seen that. Maureen, you outdid yourself. And for the item that I actually wanted, that I didn't get, and I think everybody and their mother got this, and I said some people were disappointed because they're like, they sent me 2, was the Stack the Odds by Alley Oop. And this is the color, I didn't even ask her what color. It's upside down, Sassy Pants. But everybody got it. And that is why I ordered the box. So Maureen, if you were here, I would give you like the biggest hugs. Put it down. So this is what it looks like. And you probably already know because you all probably have it. I'm the only one that didn't get it. And it has the 3 shades. This is the cream. And I'm not sure if that's the highlighter. And then this is the blush. But they look so nice. Like, I really need another blush, but I just like the way it was easy to like throw in your purse. And then a bronzer. So you have to check out Maureen. That was like so sweet of her. So this was the item that I wanted. And I know it comes in a couple different shades, but this was all I wanted from BoxyCharm, and I did not get it. So I can't tell Maureen what my favorite item is, because they're all my favorite items. You meet the sweetest people on YouTube. I tell you, it's the best set of friends you can ever meet. So a big shout out to Maureen. Her channel link will be below. Ipsy, no shout out for you, because that had to be the worst bag I have ever seen. And again, I watch so many YouTubers and I've never seen a bag that bad. So thank you so much. Please hit that subscribe button, tap the like button, and you guys just have an awesome day.